Next, we are going to learn about national festivals. Children, national festivals are celebrated all over the country by the people. We have 3 important days in a year when we remember important events of the past. First one, Independence Day, 15th August. Second one, Republic Day, 26th January. Third, Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. Now let us have a look at each one of them in detail. First one, Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. India became independent on this day. It is one of the most important days in Indian history.
India was ruled by the British. For many years, our freedom fighters fought hard and we became independent on 15th August 1947. Every year, on this day, we remember all our freedom fighters who gave their lives for the nation. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. He makes the speech and asks all of us to salute the country by saying Jai Hind. Flags are hoisted across the country in all the cities, towns, villages, and schools.
Second one, Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26th January every year. India became republic on 26th January 1950.
A grand parade is held at Rajpath in Delhi. School children and folk dancers from different parts of country participate in the parade. Lots of people come to see this colorful parade. The President of India hoists the national flag. We salute the national flag.
Third one, Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. India got freedom under the leadership of Gandhiji. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. Gandhiji is known as the father of nation.
A prayer meeting is held at Gandhiji Samadhi at Rajghat in New Delhi. The President, the Prime Minister, and other dignitaries visit Rajghat. They offer prayers and flowers at his Samadhi. Our national leaders pay home to Gandhiji to sing bhajans.
Points to remember. Our 9th lesson name is Time to Celebrate. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. Religious festivals are Diwali, Dashera, Eid ul-Fitr, Holi, Gurpurab and Christmas. Harvest festivals are Onam and Pongal. Children, I hope you all learned about our festivals.
Children, all of you stand up. Attention, national anthem.